Standing series. Samasthiti, Tadasana, strong legs, bandhas engaged, open chest. Padangusthasana, jump the feet 1 foot apart, hands on waist. Turn the heels out slightly. Inhale, fold forward, catch the big toes. Pull up the knees, rolling the quads, lifting the tailbone, drawing Uddiyana Bandha, and exhale down. Let the upper body just hang. Dristi is tip of the nose. Strong legs. Raise the tailbone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strong legs. Uddiyana in. 5, 6. Inhale, head up only, exhale there. Inhale, Padahastasana, fingers underneath the toes. Strong legs, tailbone up, Uddiyana in, exhale, let the upper body just hang. Weight forward slightly into the toes, increasing the hamstring stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, head up only, exhale there. Inhale, up, hands on waist. Exhale, Samasthiti. Utthita trikonasana, step towards the right hand side, 3 feet gap, right foot forward, back foot 45 degrees, arms outstretched. Exhale down, right hip goes back, left hip comes forward. Catch the big toe, strong legs. Open the left arm out to the ceiling. Uddiyana engaged. Lifting all the way up to the fingertips from the middle of the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look down. Inhale, up, turn to the left-hand side. Exhale, down, catch. Straight legs, left hip back, right hip forward. Open up from the heart, up into the fingertips. Dristi is the thumb, and into Dristi line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look down, inhale, up, turn to the right hand side, arms outstretched. Exhale, down, B. Left hand to the house side of the right foot, left hand on the floor. If you need to modify, go onto the ankle. The most important thing is to get the chest open to enable the stretch. Fingers up to the ceiling, strong legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up, turn to the left hand side. Exhale, down, strong legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Utthita, Parshvakonasana, step towards the right hand side, 4 feet gap, a little bit wider. Right foot forward, back foot 45 degrees, arms outstretched. Looking into the middle finger of the right hand, exhale, down. Right hand to the right side of the right foot, palm of the hand on the floor, strong back leg. Coil the left hand over, bringing the hand into Dristi line. Dristi is the thumb. The weight is on the right leg. Left foot pushes down into the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up, turn to the left hand side. Coil the right hand over. Strong legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up, arms outstretched. Turn to the right hand side. Exhale, down B. Left shoulder, right knee. Hands together in prayer. 1, 2. Strong back leg. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up, turn to the left hand side. Exhale, down. Right shoulder, left knee. 1, 2. Feel the opening. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Prasarita Padottanasana. Step towards the right hand side. I use the edge of the mat so I know my hips are square, hands on waist. Exhale, down, hands in line with the feet. Inhale, raise the chest, lengthen the arms. Again, pull up the knees, rolling the quads, lifting the tailbone, drawing in Uddiyana Bandha. Let the upper body just hang. Strong legs. Bring the weight forward onto the toes slightly. 1, 2, 3. Strong legs. Lift the tailbone. 4, Uddiyana. 5, 6. Inhale, head up only. Exhale there. Inhale, up, hands on waist. Exhale. Inhale, arms outstretched. Exhale, hands on waist. Inhale, raise the chest, drawing in Uddiyana Bandha. Exhale, down, over the top of Uddiyana Bandha. Locking Uddiyana Bandha in place. Keep the hands on the waist this time. Drishti tip of the nose. 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale all the way up. Hands on waist. Exhale. Inhale, arms outstretched. Exhale, catch the hands behind the back. Inhale, raise the chest, Uddiyana in. Exhale, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strong legs, tailbone up. 5, 6. Inhale all the way up. Exhale. Inhale, hands on waist. Raise the chest, Uddiyana in. Exhale, down. Catch the big toes. Inhale, raise the chest. Strong legs, tailbone up. Uddiyana in. Exhale, down. Into that space you just created. Drishti tip of the nose. Strong legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Uddiyana, 6. Inhale, head up only. Exhale there. Inhale, up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Parsvottanasana, step towards the right hand side, 2 feet gap, not too wide. Right foot forward, back foot 45 degrees, heels in line. Hands behind the back in reverse prayer. Square hips, square shoulders. Raise the chest. Uddiyana in. Exhale, down, leading with the chest, strong leg. Go through the hip flexor, push down into the floor with the right big toe. Strong back leg, Uddiyana in. Drishti is the big toe. 6 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Each inhale goes a little bit further. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up, square hips, square shoulders. Turn to the left hand side. Left foot forward, back foot 45 degrees. Square hips, square chest. Raise the chest. Uddiyana in. Exhale, down, leading with the chest through the hip flexor. Drishti, big toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up. Exhale. Samastati. Utkatasana, inhale, stretch tall. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go back all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, jump forward. Knees bent, hands in the air. Utkatasana. Again, rolling the tricep, lift from the elbow, all the way up into the fingertips. Drishti is the thumbs. 9 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, up. Exhale, Chatwari, jump back. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right foot forward. Virabhadrasana A. Rolling the tricep, lifting the elbows. 1, 2. Front knee 90 degrees, pushing down into the mat with the back foot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale up, turn to the left hand side. Exhale, down. Slight arch in the back, square chest. 1, 2, Drishti is the thumbs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Arms outstretched, transition, don't come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, up, turn to the right hand side. Exhale, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, up, exhale, Chatwari, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, jump forward, straight legs, sit down.